Guys, this on prank.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry!
He's so sorry, like.
No! No! No!
Bro, you need to get my phone. Like, you need to get my phone. Did the phone just fall into the pool? Wait, we need to play that again. The phone just fell into the pool. I'm so sorry. What is this sorry about? I really hope that he's getting that phone back, because if he's not getting that phone back, So she's trying to prank her husband with this horn. Let's see. So, but like, the camera is just okay. Let's see.
Baby, you sure you don't want that?
No, she doesn't want that. All right, come now. Start cleaning it. Like, she needs to start cleaning up that place. Start cleaning there. So this one, he ties the on to the chair. Why was he that scared? It's just horns. Like, if it's just horn, why was it? Oh my goodness. Like, what? Oh my goodness. Some people are very, very hypertensive. Like, don't do this. Don't do this outside. Oh my goodness. Really? Oh, really? No, don't do that.
Oh, you
Bro, calm down. There's no thief. Calm down. Oh my goodness. Oh! Ow! She just threw the juice away. Really? Oh,
No!
I really have issues with those that's I really have issues with people that throw their phone and the phone just no. I can't even imagine anything happening to my phone. Like, I have issues with people that just throw their phones. Like, you need to get my phone. Even if it's not just about getting my phone, I have like important documents on my phone, so please don't do that. Oh!
Amanda. Amanda, I love you.
Really?
Oh! So the dog is. If I was the dog, I am definitely going to bite you. If I was the dog, I will bite you. This one is another husband.
Jesus!
Jesus Christ!
Jesus!
Just Jesus Christ! Alright, so this one plays the on. What's it called? There's no sign. I don't have a car, so I don't. It was just a kid, not a
What the hell is that? What the What the hell is that?
Morning! Oh no!
Darn it! Then I checked it twice. Ow! You made me do. Look what you made me do.
Fantastic. Oh,